What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here from Crypto News, bringing you the best cryptocurrency news on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about Cardano versus Solana. So what makes these projects stand out in the cryptocurrency markets? Cardano and Solana currently rank among the largest decentralized open source networks. Both blockchain systems are built to host other crypto applications and are Ethereum's greatest rivals. These altcoins have been on the radar of many investors, companies, and developers for numerous reasons, including their features, market capitalization, future upgrades, and price outlooks. So let's take a deeper look at these two altcoins. Experts have termed both coins future Ethereum killers because of their potential to surpass the Ether network in the future. Therefore, being aware of Cardano and Solana's strengths and weaknesses is essential to help investors decide if they are profitable investments. Now remember, folks, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research anytime you invest in any sort of digital asset. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. So let's first talk about Cardano's strengths and weaknesses. Cardano is one of the few altcoins that has received large praises after being reviewed by academics, putting it on a level of credibility that most coins may never achieve. Another great advantage of Cardano is the multiple layers with which it operates. By adopting the computational and settlement layers, ADA allows network users to enjoy fast transactions while also giving room for unlimited scalability. Cardano is one of the few altcoins that has received large praises after being reviewed by academics, putting it on a level of credibility that most altcoins may never achieve. Another great advantage of Cardano is the multiple layers with which it operates. By adopting the computational and settlement layers, ADA allows network users to enjoy fast transactions while also giving room for unlimited scalability. The multi-layered system allows developers to update the network without interfering with transactions. It also eliminates the need to create smart contracts before running crypto applications on the platform. The Cardano third generation blockchain is considered to be more reliable than the other networks because it keeps surmounting the challenges faced by other platforms in the past. Since Cardano scales horizontally with the help of its Ouroboros Hydra protocol, it is more scalable and decentralized than the first and second generation blockchains, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Plus, its proof-of-stake protocol ensures that the blockchain stays safe from bugs and cyber attacks. While Cardano has many positive features, it also has some downsides. The first is the voting system it plans to implement. As a considerable number of token holders are not tech-savvy, they may make unreasonable voting decisions. Research also shows that on-chain voting may force full node changes, which can be detrimental to the platform. Furthermore, Cardano's developers made an unrealistic assumption that the POS algorithm will synchronize ledgers at any given time on a global blockchain. The network also faces a liability of double spending as input endorsers occasionally approve the same transactions from different slot leaders. Now let's talk about Solana's strengths and weaknesses. The impressive performance of Solana's network could be attributed to the innovations with which it was built. It adopts a proof-of-history consensus algorithm, which enhances the efficiency of the network. This algorithm utilizes previously recorded transactions and events to keep track of how new transactions and orders of events. High-performance blockchain systems usually encounter problems relating to sending enormous amounts of data to a large group of users. However, Solana implements the Turbine technology to optimize data transmission and streaming user data protocol, UDP. This helps the network to address bandwidth issues and increase its capacity to process transactions faster. Solana also innovated Gulfstream, a mempool-less transaction forwarding protocol to cache transactions and forward them to the network's edge. This feature enables validators to approve transactions promptly and reduce memory pressure caused by unconfirmed transactions, allowing the network to process up to 50,000 transactions per second. Other impressive innovations used by the Solana ecosystem include C-Level, an effective transaction engine that allows horizontal scaling across SSDs and GPUs, Tower BFT, an algorithm that allows the network to reach a consensus without incurring enormous messaging overhead, and Pipeline, a mechanism that quickly validates and replicates transaction information across all nodes within the network. Being one of the best altcoins in the crypto space does not exempt Solana from setbacks, since many many of the innovations remain undeployed on the mainnet beta, the network encounters occasional hiccups. Additionally, the Solana blockchain is designed to scale with hardware and bandwidth, meaning that validators can take advantage of GPU cores to parallelize execution, thereby reducing verification times. This in turn increases the cost and sophistication of the hardware required to effectively sustain and secure the platform. As a result, prospective validators need about 5,000 USD to cover the cost of setting up their hardware. This is why Solana blockchain can currently boast of about 300 independent validators only. According to CoinMarketCap data, Cardano sits in its third place on the market cap charts with a market capitalization of 71 billion USD, whereas Solana is in the 7th position with a market cap of 61 billion USD. Although these two coins are users' favorites, they have competitors who are rapidly moving up, intending to take their spots. Some of these coins in question include Polkadot, Dot, Polygon, Matic, Chainlink, Link, Avalanche, AVAX, and so forth. These coins feature technologies that may outperform Cardano and Solana in the future if implemented properly. Cardano was built for scalability. Cardano sets itself apart from other blockchains because it runs on a scalable academic and data-driven model. The founder Charles Hoskinson allowed public access to the papers containing the plan and models of the network, allowing developers and engineers to give their insight on the way forward. The platform also integrates the Ouroboros proof-of-stake algorithm, making it more scalable than other blockchains. Leveraging this POS validation algorithm, the Cardano network does not need extra machines to process transactions. The nodes are responsible for this task, making the network less vulnerable to interference. Furthermore, the Cardano network is currently maximizing the potential of smart contract technology after the recent Alonzo hard fork. This technology enables the network to create self-executing contracts that require no human oversight. With the help of smart contracts, network users can input conditions that must be met within their agreement, and they will always be executed automatically. Smart contract deployment on the Cardano network also supports the smooth running of decentralized applications, dApps. In all, Cardano aims to defeat the challenges of both the traditional finance and older generation blockchains and make services more accessible to network users through innovative solutions. Solana is focusing on being the fast and scalable blockchain. Solana's developers aim to create a protocol that supports the development of dApps and improve scalability by integrating the proof of history algorithm to back up the already existing proof of stake consensus of the platform. Every node or computer within a decentralized network possesses an internal clock that it uses to timestamp transactions according to local time zones. This creates a problem when the blockchain wants to reach a consensus about the status and order of transactions, thereby reducing transaction speed and creating a loophole for cyber criminals to manipulate transactions. To increase the transaction speed of the network, the Solana protocol leverages the Tower BFT technology to synchronize every clock within the network, eliminating the need to dedicate excessive processing power to timestamp verification. This inbuilt synchronization mechanism currently enables the blockchain to process up to 50,000 transactions per second. So which is more likely to become the next Ethereum? Currently, Cardano is leading in the race of cryptocurrencies that would possibly dethrone Ethereum. Both platforms are competing in the area of smart contracts, consensus architectures, and network performance. Ethereum is ahead in the smart contracts race as it currently hosts about 79% of all decentralized finance applications in the crypto industry. However, Cardano is putting up a good fight with the recent Alonzo launch, introducing smart contract functionality and the creation of dApps on the blockchain. On the other hand, Cardano boasts of a more efficient consensus mechanism. Cardano's developers built the network using the proof-of-stake algorithm, whereas Ethereum is still working on integrating POS into their protocol. This gives Cardano a head start in terms of energy efficiency and eco-friendliness, as transaction validation consumes less computational power. This gives Cardano a head start in terms of energy efficiency and eco-friendliness, as transaction validation consumes less computational power compared to Ethereum. Furthermore, Cardano has better network performance as it can process up to 250 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 15 transactions per second. The developers are further optimizing network performance by working on a scaling mechanism known as Hydra. When the team deploys the solution, Cardano can accelerate to about 1 million transactions per second compared to the 100,000 transactions per second that the Ether network will achieve after Ethereum 2.0 deployment. Ethereum has the first mover advantage, but it faces setbacks associated with scalability and network performance. As the developers of both protocols continue to roll out major updates, POS algorithm for Ethereum and smart contract technology for Cardano, the deciding factor will be the successful integration of these updates as well as the number of technical challenges they overcome. Cardano versus Solana price outlook. Cardano is among the flourishing altcoins within the crypto space. As a result, many investors have it on their radar. Due to the impact of the recent Alonzo hard fork, Cardano was able to reach an all-time high of $3 USD in September 2021. The Alonzo upgrade also gave room for the creation of smart contracts, making the platform more enticing for developers, companies, and investors. This will in turn help to boost Cardano's price in the long run. Although ADA is currently trading at $2 USD after a minor retracement, analysts believe that the rollout of major updates will increase ADA's potential to reach $10 USD and beyond in the near future. Solana, on the other hand, has been performing tremendously well, having achieved a 4,960% price increase since September of 2020. The token rallied up to an all-time high of $218 USD in October of 2021 and is currently trading at $206 USD. Solana's team is currently working on improving the centralization of the network, which will have a positive impact on the price. There is also an anticipated upgrade that will foster cross-chain similarities between Solana and other Sol-based tokens. When the team deploys this upgrade, the price of Sol is expected to soar to around $500 to $750. Now, Solana does have a long way to go to catch up to Cardano. As mentioned earlier, Cardano ranks third on the market cap compared to Solana, which is sitting at the 7th position. Therefore, Solana has to beat Cardano before going toe-to-toe with Ethereum. The Solana protocol is currently a launching ground for many decentralized finance applications. This gives it an excellent opportunity to advance in the next couple of years. However, surpassing Cardano is far-fetched as the deployment team is making important growth moves. Market experts believe these two altcoins have what it takes to usurp Ethereum. Cardano and Solana both have healthy ecosystems and are performing well owing to their recent updates. Cardano and Solana both have healthy ecosystems and are performing well owing to their recent updates. The future value of both cryptocurrencies depends on their abilities to capitalize on Ethereum's present shortcomings, as the blockchain is still incomplete. By the time the developers completely build the platform, Ethereum must have finished its upgrade. Looking at the features, market cap, and possible future upgrades of these altcoins, there is no doubt as to why they capture the attention of investors. These new generation coins aim to solve the challenges encountered by old generation cryptocurrencies while also making services more accessible to network users. As developers and investors gradually migrate from Ethereum to Cardano and Solana, there is a likelihood that they will beat Ethereum in the future and live up to their reputation as future Ethereum killers. Well, there you have it, Cardano versus Solana. Which altcoin do you think has the most potential to usurp Ethereum in the future? Now, I know this is a really hot topic, so I'm really excited to see what all you have to say about this really good topic. And as always, if you found this video resourceful, do not forget to smash that like button. It does help support this channel and it would mean the world to me. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.